Hey guys, what's up? It's Joe Raiti from Raiti's Rides. And if you are a BMW lover and you are the type of person that you're not about taking it to a dealership or taking it to some shop to do the work for you, I have not only a BMW that's going to satisfy you, but guess what? Everything you're going to see and everything you're going to hear about, the owner did himself in his own garage. And what better way to really live the car passion, the car enthusiasm, not only to drive an amazing car like this, but also to do it and build it your own. Now, BMW's been around for a lot of years. It's all about performance. When you see that M badge, I don't care if it's an M3, M5, whatever, M stands for motorsports, and it's all about their racing heritage, racing lineage. And what's special about this that you're going to see in a second is there's something underneath the hood that would surprise you. Now, from the outside, this is a beautiful, pristine, even though the body, the owner told me, has 290,000 miles on it, which I looked over it and it's amazingly in great condition. California car, of course, without rust. But on the inside, underneath that hood, is going to be something different. Let's go ahead and talk about the outside first. So 1997 E36, I think when it comes to classic BMW styling, you can't beat it. People love the E36. I mean, I remember being in college and going to Daytona and seeing these cars race. It's just a wonderful experience, and this car is a wonderful car. You could see when you look at the front of a BMW, it's all about that traditional styling, and where it always starts off is with the kidney grills here. That's something that goes all the way back to early BMW days and still continues to this very moment. I really, really like what the owner did here with this lower front lip to the bumper. It really gives it that nice aggressive look. It's going to allow some air to kick up. If you look down here, you can see how this is hollowed out to bring air past the front end of the car into the interior bits. You can see the time, the dedication. Like I said, this car has 290,000 miles on it. It is wonderful. Now, before I take you down the side, let's go ahead and let the cat out of the bag. Check out underneath this hood. This is an E46 engine out of an early 2000 model. You could see the work that the owner did with the individual velocity stacks. I really like this cross member structural brace for that rigidity. Guess what? We're talking about 400 horsepower, 8,200 RPM. This owner has done the business, has done it right. You can see how everything, the wiring, everything is done so clean that if you didn't know anything about BMWs, you would think this is exactly the way it came from the factory. But I'm telling you, not even close, because this is just two different worlds coming together. Check out just I like the individual velocity stacks he put. I really, really like just the way everything is so cleanly routed. There's the ABS unit. You can see he's running the custom suspension. Look on this side. I don't know if Tom could show you down in there the header that he's running. But this is something that the owner did his homework, and now he has something that he could enjoy on a regular basis. 400 horsepower, 8,200 RPM, and I promise you, before this video is over, you're going to hear it. Let's go ahead and check out the side of this thing. What I've always liked about the E36s are the lines on it. It's a very muscular look to it, very purposeful. I really like the way the suspension, the way that it's set. It's just enough space here. You know, people are always trying to run these things so low on the street. They look great, but when it comes to turning and bumps and all that, it's not fun. But this owner did it right. I love the finish on these BMW wheels. It's incredible that this car is from 1997 and still looking so sharp. Check out down the side. You can see those traditional lines of the E36. And then out back, this is probably one of my favorite parts of an E36 is that rear spoiler. And I think really for me, silver is the color to have for this particular model because it really just allows the lines of the car to show. The owner added this extra little kick up to the rear spoiler. And then down here, this nice diffuser. And look at that twin exhaust. Very, very nice, clean setup. I like the way it sticks out, but it's not too obnoxious. And then there's our BMW M3 logo. What a wonderful car done by the owner. And like I said, it's one thing to see it. Let's check out the sound of this thing. All right, guys. So as you can see, you don't need to go buy a brand new car to have attention. You don't need to go and have somebody build it for you. You can go get something yourself, do your homework, spend the time, and you have something that not only stands out at this event, which trust me, there's lots of great cars here, but it's something unique and it's personal to you. If this is the stuff you like to see on Raity's Rides, leave a comment in that comment section. If there's something specific you're looking for, leave a comment in that comment section. If you have not hit that subscribe button, what are you waiting for? These are the awesome things that I'm bringing my viewers, my subscribers. Thank you guys for getting us to 3,000 subscribers. I'm so curious where the hell this is going to go. We're only 6 months in. Sky's the limit, I guess. But thank you for being on the ride, and I'll see you on the next ride.